What's up, everyone? I'm on my way to pick up the car. They told me it was ready today. And just real quick, just want to tell you my feelings. I'm hella nervous. Nervous as hell. The guy tells me that the car looks better than new. What does that mean? I want to be able to see this car and go like, bam, shit look good. But if I see like even the slightest miscoloring or mismatching of colors or something, I don't know. I'm a bit depressed because I already want to take the car home and install the new tail lights. But anyways, fingers crossed. Let's see what it looks like. All right, guys. So we picked it up. Look at that. Can't even tell. So I'm quite happy with the results. The car's washed, so you get to see it in all its glory. It looks perfect. Nothing there. It looks great. Amazing. We had this little chip up here in the front, and they just filled it in with paint. You can still kind of tell where it was at, but the chip is pretty good. That wasn't part of the insurance claim thing, so they just kind of filled it in with some paint. But the car looks pretty good. My wife is going to drive it home, and I'm going to go in the Santa Fe, so I'll record some B-roll footage as we're driving so you guys can get some cool shots. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. So the car is back. Look at it in all its glory. God damn, it looks like a beast. Love it. Super excited. The door is over here on this side. So this is a door that was damaged all the way down here. Looks as good as new. Can't complain. Looks pretty good. Today I'm going to be installing this, guys. So I'm going to make a new video where I kind of go more into depth about this, but I got the GTS style taillights, and I'm gonna be installing those today. But I just got home and I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go out to eat first. I'm not gonna go out to eat. I'm just gonna go order some pizza or something. This is the back end. Let's remove this plastic. Oh man, these are dark. That's gonna be nice. Anyways, well, that's going on right now in a little bit. Alright guys, well, Stormy's back. I'm excited to be able to give you guys some more content, some more mods, and see where this car takes us. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.